Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with testRigor Test Suite. You actually need to create each test suite separately to receive notifications about retests. I have already created this example demo test suite with only one test in it. And now I'm going to add another channel to our Teams account. Let's call it Notifications. Click the Add button. Channel is added. Let's go ahead and get the email that is on our channel and copy. And then we go to Settings, click Notifications. Then select Enable Microsoft Teams Notifications. Paste your Microsoft Teams channel email address and remove anything we don't need. Make sure to only include the email address. Click the Save button and the application is updated. Now, let's go to the Test Suite main page and click Rerun. Now we should be able to receive notifications on this channel when the test is complete. Let's wait. Okay, the test is done, and now in a few seconds you should receive notifications. That's it. Basically, this is the same notification as you receive in your email, but a little bit different format, more convenient for Microsoft Teams. You can click See Results, but because I am using different browsers, it won't open here. So let's go ahead, click Copy Link Address from the button, and then paste and go in a browser. Will move me to basically the same Microsoft Teams integration demo for review. That is all for today. Thank you.